Hello, today I'm going to show you how to measure steps on the stair so we can actually cut it. This you can do it installing new step or anything to so you can cut new steps and install it, or what we do right here is laminate vinyl, okay, vinyl step. And as you can see, instead of doing the vinyl cap right here, I actually put the metal because the vinyl, people go damage it, especially rental. So metal, nobody's going to damage it. So how we measure it is how it goes. See this? Okay, that's what you use to measure it. Okay. That's what we use to measure it, okay? So, and it's different angle. Every step has angle, okay? So, that's why it's measured this way, see it? So what we want to do, we want to place this on here, like that. Okay. And then we go straight in here. Yeah. Wait. Okay, you want to tighten that. Get to your angle. Now you got your measurement of it, and now you can cut your stairway. Okay, you can cut the step. So we will cut this one, go cut it in vinyl, and we'll show you how to do it. Okay. The stair's almost perfect. As you can see, this is the degree it's in. Almost perfect. 88. Yeah, about 88 each. 88 instead of 90, 90. Yeah. So it's almost perfect. So this, putting two pieces together. As you can see, stairs not all that big, so I measure from here to here. Okay. As you can see, your stairs not 100%. It's not 100%. So, I'm just try my best, you know, I apologize, you know. Show. You got your glue here. There's gonna be people that tell me why you don't there's gonna be some people who will criticize, why don't you take the padding off underneath? Okay, you don't take the padding underneath because for me, I gotta put the rise also. Alright, there's gonna be a rise. So that's gonna clamp it down some more. So just put this right here. Don't worry about it breaking it. Now I'll put this up here. Yeah. I'm going to show you the rest. How it's going to look. If you wonder why I'm using a heavier hammer, it's so the nail won't bend when I'm driving through it. So that's why. Okay? And I'm going to show you how it looks. That's it. All right. That's how it looks. Look at that. See, looking a lot better now. See it? Okay, the reason I put these metal is because metal edges on the stair is because tenants seem to always drag their feet. The stair will always messed up because they don't take care of your property. So when you put on the metal edge, you will protect the edges of the stair. Okay? That's how it is. Looking nice, see it? Let me show you from this angle again. There you go. If you like my video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.